So we're setting ourselves up to make 1 million units in the next couple months. And of course, we want to ramp up production as quickly as we can beyond that.
What's your target?
We don't have any particular target. I mean, for a new device like this, our goal is to make as many as we can. But it's a new production process, right? You know, it's in fact a very complex new production process that takes almost 40 hours. It takes almost 40 hours to make one of these devices, right? So we have to ramp up over time. It takes a bit of time.
Now, you launched the Mi3 in India just recently, and it looks as though you're targeting emerging markets. Why is that? What's the strategy?
Yeah, so purely out of coincidence, we actually launched Mi3 in India today. Today was our first sale day over there, and we're obviously very excited about that market. You know, our goal is to bring all of our products to some of these really key strategic markets like India, Indonesia, which is coming next, you know, Latin America, and so on and so forth. So we're just getting ourselves ready to really ramp up and be able to get to these markets as quickly as we can with our new products.
But why the emerging markets? Because, and the reason why I'm asking is because your competitors, say Samsung or Apple, targeted the developed markets first, and then after that they went into the emerging markets. It seems as though your strategy is in reverse. So why?
So first thing about these markets is that they're very large markets where people are experiencing the internet for the first time on their mobile phones, right? So there's a huge demand for smartphones, you know, across the entire range. You know, secondly, because of how we build our products and how we think about them and how we price them, we think that this really special combination of high specification, high performance devices that are sold at, you know, really aggressive prices makes the most sense in these markets, right? Plus, we're a small company, we're a startup, we're only 4 years old, right? So we can't go to the entire world at once. So we're going one market at a time, and we're being pretty thoughtful about picking the next target. We started in Singapore, a small market, then we went to Malaysia, and so forth. And now we're finally working ourselves up to launch in India.
So do you see yourselves in the US someday?
We do see ourselves in the US someday. We don't know when.
I was going to ask when.
We're gonna work to that day. You know, there's a lot to do. There's a lot of work to happen before we are ready, you know, for a market as large and as competitive as the United States.